Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the Atago Digital Viscometer, the VISCO-895. The VISCO-895 is a straightforward, portable digital viscometer featuring multiple measurement options. All items come in a rugged carry case with a foam moulded insert. The unit is truly designed to perform quick viscosity measurements anywhere and at any time, featuring the ability to run on either AC power or batteries, and measurements can be taken in one of three ways: using the included stands and beakers, using a disposable container, or placing the instrument directly on the included large beaker. The unit is operated using a single button, and users navigate and view results on the completely digital display. The versatility of the VISCO-895 makes it ideal for various applications such as food, beverage, cosmetics and skincare, and various industrial and chemical monitoring applications. In the box there is a complete user guide, an instrument inspection certificate, a USB cable, two beakers, the large beaker is 100 ml and the small beaker is 15 ml, a small volume beaker attachment for the stand, and the stand with adjustable feet, 4 AA batteries, the AC power adapter, the temperature sensor, 3 spindles in a spindle stand. The spindles are labelled A1, A2 and A3. And the viscometer. Features of the unit include the digital display on the top. This displays measurement values and settings, a single dual function dial button. Sliding this button changes the setting and item selections, and pressing it turns the unit on or off as well as confirms item selections. There's a USB port to connect the instrument to a computer, and the power port to connect the instrument to the AC adapter. 3 rotatable legs. And lastly, on the base there's a protective cap over the shaft holder, the battery compartment screw, the spindle attachment shaft with the cover now removed, and the temperature sensor attachment point. Unscrewing the battery compartment screw reveals the battery compartment. There's 2 cases that pull out to insert the included batteries. And that's what comes in the box with the Atago Digital Viscometer, the VISCO-895. For more information on this or other Atago viscometers, speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Call 1300 737 871 or email customer-service@instrumentchoice.com.au. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.